Look at that, guys. At the back, Sangari Highway. The back of my site project. There's ongoing excavation for laying the lines to a water secure future of Muntinlupa, Las Piñas, Sangari, owned by Senator Cynthia Villar. Look at that machine. It seems that the separation of the gravel and soil, so it makes a double purpose,